Based on your responses, I'd estimate your score to be around a band 6.5 to 7. Here's a breakdown. Fluency and coherence, band 7. You spoke smoothly with only minor hesitations and expressed your ideas clearly.
Today, I'm going to show you how I use ChatGPT to prepare for IELTS speaking exam. Also, I will show you how to get real-time feedback and how to score higher. The reason I got a 6.5 because I wanted to see if ChatGPT can actually capture my mistakes, like making small pauses, saying in some cases I'll be providing a very short answer and some repetitions. I was surprised to find out that ChatGPT can not only capture my mistakes, but also correct my mistakes and suggest ways how I can improve my answers. So let's get started. First, you need to open ChatGPT app, click on this button, and now you can talk to ChatGPT. Hey ChatGPT, I want to simulate IELTS speaking exam part 1. Act as IELTS examiner, asking me part 1 questions. Also, evaluate my responses and give feedback based on fluency, coherence, and pronunciation. At the end of speaking test, let me know what is my band.
Let's get started. I'll begin with some questions, and after each of your responses, I'll provide feedback on fluency, coherence, and pronunciation. First question, can you tell me about the kind of music you enjoy listening to?
Yes, I like techno music and also down-tempo. Normally when I'm working and the work is kind of routine, I prefer to listen to the techno.
Great! Here's some feedback on your response. Fluency. Your pace was steady and you conveyed your ideas clearly without major pauses. You could add a little more detail to sound more natural. Coherence. You explained your preferences well, especially in linking your music choice to a specific activity, working. Adding a bit more about why techno or down-tempo appeals to you might enhance coherence. Pronunciation. Very clear overall, but be mindful of stressing certain words like techno. Clear articulation on specific terms can add emphasis to your answer. Suggestion. Try expanding by adding details, such as, I find techno helps me stay focused, or explaining why down-tempo works for you. Here's the next question. Do you prefer to read paper books or digital books? Why?
I prefer to read paper books because less lights, because at work I'm dealing with computers a lot, so I'm staring at the screen 8 hours straight. So I prefer to give my eyes a little bit of rest and to read paper books instead of reading it on the iPad or using my phone.
Nice response. Here's some feedback. Fluency. Your flow was smooth, though you had a minor hesitation with less lights. Rephrasing that could make your answer sound a bit more polished. Coherence. You made a clear point about avoiding screens, and you tied it effectively to your workday. Mentioning the relief paper books bring after long screen exposure made the answer very logical. Pronunciation. Mostly good, but watch for clearer phrasing on words like light and straight. Practicing emphasis on these can help add clarity. Suggestion. You might say, I prefer paper books because they don't have bright screens. After a full day at work, looking at a computer, I find that paper books give my eyes a break. All right, last question. How do you usually spend your weekends?
I have a YouTube channel, so I'm working on my YouTube channel, creating new videos, thumbnails, and searching for ideas for the next video. Also, I hang out with my friends, we do barbecues, and also I just prefer to learn some new technologies. So yeah, I also do some sports. So I do some kickboxing and hit the weights. So yeah, that's pretty much in a nutshell my weekend.
Here's your feedback. Fluency. You spoke confidently and gave a well-rounded answer, covering various activities. Small repetitions like so yeah might be minimized to keep the flow a bit tighter. Coherence. Your answer was organized, moving from your YouTube work to social and personal activities. Saying, in a nutshell, was a nice way to wrap up your points. Pronunciation. Clear overall, though watch out for emphasizing phrases like hit the weights or creating new videos. This can give more strength to your response. Suggestion. You could refine it slightly by saying, I spend my weekends working on my YouTube channel, creating videos and thumbnails. I also enjoy hanging out with friends for barbecues, learning new tech, and doing kickboxing and weightlifting. Overall evaluation. Your responses showed strong fluency and good coherence, with logical ideas that were easy to follow. For pronunciation, your clarity was strong, though a little more emphasis on key phrases would make it sound even more engaging. You did a great job blending personal touches with clear explanations. You spoke smoothly with only minor hesitations and expressed your ideas clearly. You might improve slightly by linking ideas even more smoothly and minimizing fillers like, so yeah. Your pronunciation was clear overall, though working on stressing specific words or phrases would give your speech a more natural flow. Emphasis on key phrases and slight adjustments on stress patterns can raise this area. With a bit more practice, especially focusing on smooth linking and word stress, you could reach a solid band 7 or higher. Great work!
The goal of this video is not to score band 9, but to show you what ChatGPT is capable of when it comes to preparing for IELTS speaking exam. Let me know in the comments down below if there are any other topics do you want me to cover. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you later. Bye bye.